Hi, I'm Chris Shannabrook with MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida, standing on the Saxdor 400 GTS. This is the newest to the Saxdor 40 lineup, provides you with the V10 425s, so you got plenty of horsepower on it. The 40-foot lineup has been tried and true on the GTC and GTO. What we've done on this boat is we've made it lighter, faster, and more versatile for families. As you come on board, you'll see the liftgate system here, which provides safety underway. Can be utilized to keep the kids in or the small pets. There's really no way for anything to escape out the back of the boat. It's been redesigned, so it's much more robust than before. We're looking at this side here. This is the standard storage for your fenders, so there's plenty of room there. Also on board, you have an inflation device, so you can pump up all your water toys. The Saxdor 400 GTS also comes equipped with the grill and a sink, plenty of room for all of your dining. I'll show you the transition to the actual dining area. So right now we have this full lounge pad, which can easily accommodate 4 to 6 adults, depending on how you have that set up. But to bring this back into the dining position, kind of pull the seat up, fix the under cushion, and we can raise this mechanical table. All right, so now that we have the table in its fully elevated position, this gives us a nice dining area. You could do 4 across. You can easily fit 8 people in here to enjoy your dinner or lunch, whatever that looks like for you. But what's really nice about it is you're under cover, okay? And not only that, but you have these very nice lights that go around it. So if you're doing some later in the evening dining, there's plenty of lighting for you to enjoy. So the 400 GTS does have the option to have toy storage or a second cabin. And this is exactly where it's located. This one is equipped with the second cabin, which provides you the furniture inside, the mattress, and the padding, as well as air conditioning if selected. All right, making our way forward, we have really our entertaining section here, which can be utilized for however you want. Obviously, you have the cooktop, the sink, and a little bit of space to keep things cool, as well as a cutting board to use as you need. But there's tons of storage, lots of little drawers, and then of course we have the garbage here. On the opposite side, we have dual refrigerators, so plenty of refrigeration on the boat. And just underneath my foot here is a tremendous space for storage, however you want to use it. When you're at the helm of the 400 GTS, you'll feel right at home. We've got a wonderful digital binnacle providing the power that's needed to the back of the boat. It comes with the joystick and the skyhook, autopilot function, and then of course your bow thruster operation and state-of-the-art trim tabs. One of the key features to this boat is that you have the Helm AC. That's really important here in South Florida, so definitely what we like to see. Not only that, but if it's a nicer day and you want to get a little extra sunlight, you can open the top and enjoy that sun as you go. Located right next to the helm is our forward cabin, which has plenty of space in there for you. Nice area to get out of the heat, get in the air conditioning, lay down, stay overnight if you want. It also has a head and a shower. So since the 400 GTS is more of a center console design, we have the ability to drive from the center of the boat, obviously, but it does still have some of the DNA from the GTC. And what I mean by that is we have the ability to give yourself a little bit of protection from the weather if need be. These doors pop up on either side, keep you dry if you're in the middle of a summer squall. If I move this back to its storage position, the boat is completely open. When I say completely open, we don't fully have the ability to open the side terrace here at the dock, but this extends the space on the boat a tremendous amount and makes it feel like your own island out here. You can entertain, you can maneuver around the boat a lot easier, but even when they're up and they're underway, you can see there's plenty of room to walk through. We've made our way forward on this Saxdor 400 GTS. We're now sitting in the bow area, which is set up wonderfully with a nice surround sofa. We have a power table that can move up and down. So when it goes into the down position, this is a full lounger sun area. If the sun becomes too much for you, we can install these poles here, which are carbon fiber poles that attach to the top, which give you plenty of sun protection while you're anchored out. These stairs on this side of the boat really provide a heck of a lot of access. You can get your your way up to the front if you're entertaining up there, provide service, or if you're at a fixed dock and it's a lower tide situation, this gives you the ability to get on and off the boat with ease. If you want to learn more about the Saxdor 400 GTS, please stop by the MarineMax Clearwater showroom.